Friends, I have a problem. This x square is given over here and we have to find out the value of x. See, it's a very big irrational number. You can see it very well. And if I tell you this problem can be solved mentally, you won't believe me. But listen to me carefully. After a minute, you will be able to solve this problem mentally. See, whenever you see this sort of expression, right, this particularly if I talk about 3 plus 2 root 2, right, these expressions are always in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Now, how? See, a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Now, product of the number is in between and sum of the number is this. Think of two numbers, their product must be 2 and sum must be 3. I have the two numbers as 1 and 2. Now what will be my next step? Just listen to me carefully. Root 2 plus 1 whole square. If it is plus over here, it should be plus over here. If it is minus, it should be minus, right? Product of the number is 2, 1 and 2. Sum of the number is 3. 1 plus 2, that's 3, right? Your job is done. Now if you open up root 2 plus 1 whole square, what you will be getting? 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2, right? That is 3 plus 2 root 2, right? So that was very simple. That means 3 plus 2 root 2 can be written as root 2 plus 1 whole square. Getting my point? So if we wish to take the square root of 3 plus 2 root 2, it will be root 2 plus 1 only. Okay? Isn't it very simple? If it is 3 minus 2 root 2, then the square root will be root 2 minus 1, because in that case we will be getting minus over here. Right? So pretty simple. So 3 plus 2 root 2, this is x square. That means first of all we find out x. X square itself. So 3 plus 2 root 2, it is in square root. So if it comes out of the square root, it will be root 2 plus 1. Similarly, this is actually root 2 minus 1 whole square. So if it comes out of square root, it will be root 2 minus 1. Now what will happen to this? See, here it's not 2ab but 12ab, right? So what you do to make it 2ab, you break it in 2 into 6, and that 6, take the 6 into the square root. So 6, if it goes into square root, it will be 36, right? So finally it is 17 minus 2 root 72. Now we have converted this to similar in this manner. So think of the two numbers, their product must be 72 and sum must be 17. So that's nothing but 8 and 9, right? So this is root 9 minus root 8 whole square. Okay? 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 into 8 is 72, right? So this is root 9 minus root 8 whole square. If you open it up, it will be 9, that is root 9 whole square, that's 9 plus 8 minus 2 into root 9 into root 8, that's 72. Okay, so square root of this will be what? Root 9 minus root 8. So root 9 is actually 3 minus and root 8. Okay, now this is what? X square. If you see, 1 and 1 is cancelled. Now root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. This is root 2 and this is root 2. This is positive 2 root 2 and this is negative 2 root 2. So they will be cancelled. So x square is just 3. That means x is equal to root 3. How simple it is if you know this funda. If you don't know this funda, then you cannot solve this problem. Okay? I quickly take us one or two more examples so this concept will be clear in your mind once for all. Suppose I have 6 plus 2 root 5. I have to find out the square root of this. See what? Product of the number should be 5 and sum must be 6. So that's 1 and 5. So that's root 5 plus 1 whole square. And this is square root. So finally it is root 5 plus 1. Isn't it very simple? Similarly, suppose I have 9 minus 2 root 14. Right? Sum should be 9. Product must be 14. I can think of 2 and 7. So this is root 7 minus root 2 whole square. Right? If I have to find out the square root, it will be root 7 minus root 2. Isn't it very simple, friends? Similarly, suppose I have 15 minus 4 root 14. Right? Now I want 2 over here. So what I'll do? 15 minus 2. If this 2 goes into the square root, it will be 4, right? So it is precisely 14 into 4, that's 56. Now think of the two numbers, product is 56 and sum is 15, that is 7 and 8. So this is root 8 minus root 7 whole square, right? If you open it up, it will be 8 plus 7 minus 2, 8 into 7. Okay, quite simple. I hope you are getting me.